The saying "you are what you eat" takes on a whole new meaning when it comes to your gut microbiome. This diverse community of trillions of bacteria residing in your intestines thrives on what you feed it, and in turn, plays a major role in your overall health. Food as fuel, feeding the microbiome army. Your gut bacteria are like a tiny army, constantly working to break down food, extract nutrients, and maintain a healthy gut environment. But just like any army, they need the right fuel to function optimally. The good, the bad, and the prebiotics. Fiber feast. Fiber-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains are the prebiotics, the preferred food source for your good gut bacteria. These prebiotics help these beneficial microbes flourish, leading to a balanced and healthy microbiome. Sugar crash. Refined sugars and processed foods, on the other hand, can have the opposite effect. They can promote the growth of harmful bacteria, disrupting the delicate balance in your gut. This imbalance can lead to digestive issues, inflammation, and even impact your overall health. A diverse microbiome is a healthy microbiome. By incorporating a wide variety of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains into your diet, you expose your gut bacteria to a wider range of prebiotics, fostering a richer and more resilient microbiome. Making microbiome-friendly choices. Here are some simple ways to support a healthy gut microbiome through your diet. Load up on plants. Make fruits, vegetables, and whole grains the foundation of your meals. Limit processed foods. Processed foods often lack fiber and are high in sugar, both detrimental to your gut health. Embrace fermented foods. Fermented foods like yogurt, kimchi, and kombucha are packed with live probiotics, further boosting your gut bacteria. Consider a prebiotic supplement. If you struggle to meet your daily fiber needs, talk to your doctor about prebiotic supplements. Remember, a balanced diet is key to a balanced microbiome. So the next time you reach for a snack, consider the tiny tenants in your gut and choose foods that will nourish them and keep them happy.